we are going to create, here we are going to create contact tool, initial information, and press add, apply, generate initial contact results. Now you can see green tick is there, so you can see red is showing the contact status is open, but the type of contact is meant to be closed. This apply to bonded and no separation contact types. Yellow, the contact status is open, this may be acceptable. Orange, the contact status is closed but has a large amount of gap or penetration, check penetration and gap compared to pinball and depth. Contact, gray contact is inactive. This can occur for MPC and normal language formulation. It can also occur for auto asymmetric behavior. So red, this is red. Also you can see here pinball 0.6, 0.6. So total is around 8. It is there. Here 1 mm. Press Ctrl and select all the red one. Go to selected items in the tree. So you can see these are the connections. So why it is showing red? So you have seen like there is a gap in between contact body and target body. You can see space here. So in nut and bolt case there will be some tolerance kind of thing. So that's why it is showing red one in the initial information here. So here we have seen in case of red that is around 0.68 pinball something. So we are going to go to selected. We are going to select all the here and we will go downside pinball radius. We are going to keep radius and we are defining here 2 mm. Okay, so you can see we have defined 2 mm radius. Now again we are going to generate initial contact details. Initial information of now you can see that red one is gone.